Ever wondered why your trades on Kraken sometimes hit at a different price than you expected, or why some orders just sit there forever? When I first started day trading on Kraken, I made the mistake of chasing low-cap gems with zero liquidity. I learned the hard way that volume is the lifeblood of any strategy. If you want tight spreads and instant execution, you need to go where the money is moving. Based on my time on the platform and current market data, the BTC/USD pair is the undisputed king. It consistently holds the highest 24-hour volume, often making up nearly 20% of the exchange's total activity. If you're looking for the deepest liquidity to move large positions without slippage, this is your home base. Next up is the USDT/USD pair. This might seem boring because it's a stablecoin swap, but it is massive for traders who need to jump in and out of the dollar and tether. It's incredibly efficient for hedging during high volatility. For altcoin traders, ETH/USD and SOL/USD are the powerhouses. Ethereum is the secondary liquidity hub on the exchange, while Solana has seen a massive surge in 2024 and 2025, often rivaling ETH for the number 2 spot in daily turnover. If you prefer trading against stablecoins rather than fiat, keep an eye on BTC/USDT and ETH/USDT. These pairs are essential for those of us who keep our dry powder in Tether rather than a bank account. Finally, don't ignore the high momentum pairs. Assets like XRP/USD and Doge/USD frequently spike into the top 5 volume spots when news breaks or a trend ignites. My rule of thumb? Always check the top traded tab on Kraken Pro before you open a position. If the 24-hour volume isn't in the millions, you're likely going to pay a liquidity tax in the form of a wider spread. Stick to these high-volume pairs to ensure your entries and exits are as sharp as your analysis. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.